Friends, Akhil from Crazy Crest. Hope those previous videos were useful and you have learned a lot of things. Well done. Let's continue the momentum and now discuss about characteristics of the particles of matter. There are three of them in fact. Are we ready to learn? Good. Let's go. You are on the right track. Number 1. Particles of matter have space between them. Is it true to say that particles of matter have space between them? As physical properties of matter states that matter possesses space between its constituent particles. Let's find out. When sugar is added to water, sugar particles adjust themselves in the space between the water particles. Hence, we can say that particles of matter have space between them. Number 2. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Physical properties and physical changes of matter are the result of how particles of matter behave. Particles in all states of matter are in constant motion and they possess what we call the kinetic energy, and it's very rapid at room temperature. A rise in temperature increases the kinetic energy and speed of particles. It does not weaken the forces between them. So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of particles also increases. The kinetic theory of matter helps explain the different states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. If you keep a lighted incense stick at the corner of the room, the fragrance of burning incense stick spread all around the room. The particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. They do so by getting into spaces between the particles. This intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. If we observe on heating, diffusion becomes faster. Number 3. Particles of matter attract each other. There's a force that acts on the particulate matter which keeps it together. Some substances change into powder, some others change into small crystals, and others don't break easily. The magnitude or strength of the force of attraction varies from matter to matter, that is, depends on the nature of the matter. For example, breaking a chalk is easier than breaking a nail. This proves that attraction varies from particles of one substance to another. Cohesion means the force of attraction between the particulate matter of the same substance. Particles of matter are attracted towards each other by an intermolecular force known as intermolecular force of attraction. It varies in the three states of matter. In solids, it's maximum. That's why they are rigid and do not change their shape. In gases, it's very less, that the gases are not rigid, can take the shape of the container and can be compressed to any extent. But in liquids, the force is not as strong as solids, but not as loose as gases. So liquids are not rigid, but are not as highly compressible as gases.